Guys, I made a video yesterday about an incredible AI system I've been using to trade crypto for me. Because I used to trade manually, but since I found this, I've been making profits even when I'm sleeping. So guys, I want to show you day 2 of the results, okay? Because people didn't believe me in the first week when I was telling them, so I thought I'm going to start recording it on YouTube so you can see. So let me get straight into this, guys, show you the transparent results over here on my Cornix dashboard. Now, please remember there is a link down below to a Telegram where I can help you set this up. If you just go into the Cornix dashboard and pick a bot, you're not going to understand the configurations. There is a specific configuration the developer showed me so I can actually earn this money passively. Guys, it's incredible. So first, let me show you my account. Okay, guys, on the account, it's insane. You will see already we're at 5,893, up 4.5% with the portfolio change. It is insane. In one day, all right? If I go back to a week from just before I start this, $5,000 in, and you can see here we have grown. We've gone up, down, up, down, up, all the way up to the top. Why is this? It's because we use a algorithm, okay, that is an aggressive martingale. It's very, very clever, and that's why you need the configuration. Let me show you a little bit more about what I'm talking about. If you see these trades here, okay, it's showing you full transparency. These are my open trades and closed trades. It will show you the profit. Now, it doesn't just take one trade. So, for example, Matic and USDT, okay, this is open right now. It won't just take one trade in here, okay? It will find multiple entries and take as much profit as possible on the same trending trade. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, let me show you. So this Matic USD trade that is open, okay? There is entry 1 of 4. That means it is going to enter 4 times into the same trade. So this next entry will be at 1.0744, okay? And the next profit is up at 1.1587. So it just means, in simple terms, if you go in at A and your profit is going to be at B, they will take multiple entries all the way down to B, allowing you to multiply and maximize your profit. It's so clever, guys. But again, you need the configuration. So if you see here the configuration button, okay, that link down below in the Telegram, I'm going to help you do it. Why am I going to help you? Because number 1, I want you to make some money. I want you to keep following this channel. Number 2, I don't want you to go in there and try and configure it yourself and end up losing money, okay? So just I have the full blueprint from the developer. On the right-hand side now, so you can see this is fully live, all right? We have 830 in open trades. The profit and loss right now, if you closed everything right now, we would be up an extra $534 right now, okay? In total amount, $5,964, so we have made $964 in a week's time. It is insane, guys, all right? Absolutely insane, $254 in the last. Let me know in the comments right now, who made $254 in the last 24 hours without touching a single thing? All I've done is log in. It's insane, guys, all right? If I go to my account, you'll see a full overview. I'm going to cut this off right now because I'm so excited. I just need you to understand that this is full transparency. I'm being honest with you. I'm going to do this every single day and show you the growth. And again, it might go down one day. I hope it does so you can see the transparency. And this day, it went down 1.2%. But you can see here, we were up 18.5, total of 16.8% for the week. It is insane. If you want to get involved in this, guys, all you have to do is hit that link down below, okay? It's going to take you to a chat where I can help you. Simple as that. Get involved. I'll see you on day 3 and show you how much we've made then.